friends, welcome to my channel of these classes. Today we are going to discuss about sign rules for multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Let's start. First we will learn about the multiplication, sign rules for multiplication. Okay. First one, plus into plus, that is plus. Second, minus into minus is equals to plus. Third one, minus into plus, that is minus. Fourth one, plus into minus is equals to माइनस. यहाँ पे हमने एक पैटर्न देखा कि जब भी सेम साइन होते हैं, वी हैव सेम साइन हियर प्लस प्लस, तो उसका आंसर हमेशा पॉजिटिव आता है. Here also minus minus both are same, so answer is in plus. Is that clear? And here we have minus plus, different sign, so answer is in negative. Plus into minus both are different sign, so answer in negative. Is that clear? Let's start with using some examples. For the first one, 2 multiply 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2. कोई भी नंबर के आगे अगर कोई भी साइन प्रेजेंट नहीं है, इट मीन्स वो पॉजिटिव है. सो 2 इंटू 2, दैट इज 4 प्लस 4. इज दैट क्लियर? फॉर द सेकेंड वन, माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 3s are 6, that is positive 6. Is that clear? For the third one, minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. For fourth one, 3 multiply minus 3, that is minus 9. Is that clear? Now साइन रूल्स फॉर डिवीज़न. डिवीज़न के लिए भी सेम रूल होता है कि जब भी दो साइन सेम होते हैं तो उसका आंसर हमेशा पॉजिटिव आता है, और जब भी दो साइन डिफरेंट होते हैं तो उसका आंसर हमेशा नेगेटिव आता है. प्लस डिवाइडेड प्लस इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस, माइनस डिवाइड माइनस इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस, माइनस डिवाइड प्लस इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस, एंड प्लस डिवाइड माइनस इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस. लेट्स टेक सम एग्जाम्पल. Example like this, 10 divided 2, that is equals to 5 plus 5. Is it clear? For the second one, minus 10 divided by minus 2, that is minus 10 divided by minus 2, minus minus also cancel out, 5, that is plus 5. Is that clear? For this third one, minus 10 divided by plus 2, that is minus 10 divided by plus 2, so answer is minus 5. For the fourth one, plus divided minus, plus 10 divided by minus 2, that is plus 10 divided by minus 2, so answer is minus 5. Is that clear? This is all about the sign rules for division. So for the multiplication and division, for both we have same rule, same sign have positive answer and different sign has negative answer. Is that clear? Now for addition, sign rules for addition. Here we have plus plus plus, that is plus, minus plus minus, that is minus, minus plus plus, that is minus or plus. Okay, and प्लस प्लस माइनस दैट इज प्लस और माइनस. हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स लेंगे जिससे और क्लियर हो जाएगा. फॉर फर्स्ट वन 2 plus 3 that is 5, positive 5. Is that clear? For the second one, minus 3 plus minus 3. So here we have minus 3 plus minus minus and minus minus plus. So 3 plus 3 that is 6, but आंसर इज माइनस 6 बिकॉज हम इसमें ये कंसिडर करेंगे जब भी प्लस करते हैं कि जो भी बड़ा नंबर होता है उसके आगे का साइन होता है. तो यहाँ 3 और 3 दोनों इक्वल है, तो इसलिए आप किसी भी एक 3 का साइन देखिए दैट इज माइनस. तो आंसर इज माइनस. इज दैट क्लियर? फॉर द थर्ड वन minus 3 plus 2 that is minus plus minus. So 3 minus 2 1, but here 3 is bigger than 2, so we will put minus here. So answer is minus 1. Is that clear? Let's take second example. Minus 2 plus 4. So minus plus minus 4 minus 2 that is 2, but we will put plus here because the bigger number is 4. So answer is plus 2. Is that clear? For the fourth one 2 plus minus 1. Is that clear? So 2 plus minus minus 2 minus 1 1, but the bigger number is 2, so positive 1. Is it clear? And the second one is we will take 2 plus minus 4, that is 2 plus minus minus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 2, but we will put minus here because 4 is bigger than 2. Is that clear? It's all about sign rules for addition. Now come on, sign rule for subtraction. For the subtraction we have plus minus plus, that is plus or minus. Minus minus minus, that is minus or plus. Minus minus plus is equals to minus. Plus minus minus is equals to plus. हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स लेते हैं जिसके थ्रू और अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा. 2 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 1, but we have bigger one 2, so we will put positive here, that is plus 1. Is that clear? We will take next example, that is 2 minus 8 minus 6, positive, this one is negative. Is it clear? For the second one we will consider some example. Minus 2 minus minus 3, so minus 2 minus minus plus, again minus plus minus, so 3 minus 2 1, but it's positive 1 because 3 is bigger than 2 and the sign of 3 is positive, so we will put positive here. It means plus 1. Is that clear? For the third one, minus minus plus equals to minus. Minus 3 minus plus 4, that is minus 3 minus 4, minus minus plus minus 7. 3 plus 4, 7, that is minus 7. Is that clear? For the fourth one, 3 minus minus 2, that is minus minus plus 3 plus 2, 5, that is positive 5. Is that clear? It's all sorry for the disturbance. It's all about the sign rules for multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी डाउट हो, कोई भी क्वेरीज हो, तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.